Here we are going to Home Depot for the very first time. But right now we're just waiting for the appointment. We don't want to be too early. She looks like she's got like a bow tie. We were wanting it to go around the top. There we go. There we go. And she's wearing a beautiful shirt with butterflies and flowers. Satin by one of her best friends, Zach. Oops, she's coming to see me now. She wants to cuddle or look out the window or something. Oh, she's having a good time looking out the window. Yeah, there you are. Say hi to everybody. A dog's life. It's great. Ooh, she fell. Oh no. Rescue me, she says. There we go, there we go. It's all better now to sit right there. Oh, can't have that happen again. Well, that's all for now, folks.